Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by launching Recover My Files as administrator so the app can access deleted sectors. This matters because permissions block raw reads. Select the target drive or specific folder and pick Quick Scan to test or Deep Scan when files are stubborn. Once done, set file type filters to speed results and confirm you will not save recovered files back to the same drive. Use an external disk. This prevents overwriting lost data and gives cleaner recoverable candidates. You now inspect the recovered file list, sort by date, size, or type to surface the most relevant items quickly. Use the preview pane to check document contents, thumbnails, or file headers so you avoid exporting corrupt data. If results look incomplete, make use of additional filters, check for fragmented files, and rerun a targeted sector scan on suspicious ranges. Once you verify correct files, mark them for export and choose a safe destination drive, external or network storage, to preserve originals. You finish by exporting chosen files to an external drive and immediately verify integrity with quick open checks or checksums. This confirms usable recovery. If files are missing or damaged, first rerun a deep scan, then attempt RAW signature recovery to find fragments by type. If that fails, avoid further writes, save Recover My Files logs, and try an alternate recovery tool or create a disk image for specialists. Make sure to contact support with the log and a sample file to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.